Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? Hope you are doing fine wherever you are watching this video from. In this episode, I have brought together beautiful cornrows braid styles for black women. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about these cornrow styles. If you're a lover of cornrows, let me know that also in the comment section down below. And if you enjoy watching this video, give the video a massive thumbs up, thumbs this video up, and share it with others so they get to see this amazing hairstyles collection. If you are new here, this is your first time of coming across my channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Presty Like Some of Fashion, where you get updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. If you would love to see more videos like this, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video on the channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I will see you all in another one. Remember to always stay glued, stay connected to this channel for more beautiful styles are coming your way. Do have a lovely day and stay safe wherever you are. Bye.